Hey everyone, welcome back to Motoblade. Today I am home, showing off my new digs to you guys up here in the North Woods of Vermont. It's snowing, it's been snowing for about a day. We're supposed to get more snow, and it's freaking cold out here. So let's get inside and I'll show you guys around the new Motoblade studio. Alright guys, it's a lot warmer in here. I've got a fire going in the fireplace in the garage. It's a nice 60 degrees in here, and outside it's about, I think, 8 or 9 right now. But you all recognize this beauty, the 2018 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. I'm about to film another video for you guys right after this. Got my camera set up for that. Oh, but I finally got all my tools and tool chests, everything organized and put away. Tool bench. This is going to kind of be my studio area for the foreseeable future. Nice table. This table is actually going to be the home of a lot of our projects and videos and things we do here on Motoblade. That was actually my great-grandparents' table. It's over 50 years old. Cleaned it up, shines like new. Looks great. Got a nice fire going in here. This thing puts off a lot of heat, but it's a lot better than filming outside, I give you that much. Got the Indian motorcycle jackets hung up over here, all ready to go. Unfortunately, they probably won't be used until springtime. And I got the charging station over here, drone batteries, GoPro batteries, everything I need for filming. So that's it, guys. This is home now. I've been planning on moving here for, well, most of my life, and it finally happened. And even though I can't necessarily bring you guys riding videos in the wintertime, although I did take it out for a ride the other day and it got filthy, and I'm not doing that again, I will be bringing you guys all kinds of videos from here in the garage, and I'm going to do some ski videos, drone videos, and there might even be a few surprise videos in there coming up too. I've got some cool ideas. We're going to branch out just a little bit from the motorcycles and have some fun with some other stuff. So until next time, y'all, you know what to do. Be careful out there. Ride safe, ride on. I'll catch you all later. Deuces.